This is a BMR Tubular K-Member with lowered motor mounts in red for the 2005 to 2014 Mustang. This K-Member has half-inch lower integrated motor mounts. It's lighter than the stock K-Member and it'll open up room and clearance both on the top side and underside, so under the hood and for things like long tubes or turbo setups. This is a direct bolt-on upgrade that requires no modifications, but this still will take some time to get on your car, about half a day or so, and because of that, it'll be a 2 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. The first thing I'll talk about is that this is lighter than the factory K-Member. It's 18 pounds lighter to be exact, and that's great news for those of you out there that are trying to cut weight. Any weight savings can add up if you're really cutting pounds. But even if you aren't worried too much about weight, you still have the big benefit of extra room with this K-Member. You have extra room in 2 places here. The fact that this has integrated motor mounts that are lower than the stock motor mounts gives you more clearance under the hood. So that's the top of the motor to the hood clearance, which is great news for all of you top mounted or root style blower guys out there. You also have extra room underneath. So if you're looking for more room for a set of long tubes or you're thinking about a turbo setup, this K-Member will give you some more clearance there too. This K-Member is going to come with everything you need to get it installed. To be exact, you're looking at the K-Member itself, upper and lower motor mount plates, motor mount bushings, and all of your hardware, which consists of bolts and washers. This is a direct bolt-on item that isn't going to require any cutting, drilling, or welding, or modifying to get on the car. That's always a plus. You can literally just swap your factory K-Member with this one and not have to spend any time modifying anything. This will fit all 2005 to 2014 Mustangs that had the BMR or the stock A-arm spindles installed. And lastly, this comes with poly motor mount bushings. If you don't want the poly bushings or you find that they aren't stiff enough for you, you can always upgrade to a set of BMR solid aluminum motor mount bushings. Just keep in mind that these are an upgrade and they aren't going to have any flex like poly bushings do. But the solid motor mount bushings will stop the deflection that you normally get with the poly bushings and not let the engine or the driveline move, at least not from the motor mounts anyway. As far as price goes, you can expect to spend just a little bit over $500 for this. You do have the other color option of hammer tone if you wanted, which costs the same. And one thing I will say is that BMR is known as an industry leader when it comes to parts like this, so I don't think that you can ever go wrong by picking up a BMR component. When it comes to the install, it's a fairly easy install, but it is time consuming. It'll take about 4 hours, and I'll go over the install at a top level so you can decide if this is something that you'll want to tackle yourself or not. You'll need some basic hand tools like an impact gun, socket set, wrench set, and a jack and jack stands or a lift to get the job done. And of course, a second set of hands can really help you out here and help you get the job done faster. You'll pull your front wheel so you can get to the tie rod ends and get them removed. You'll then disconnect the ball joint from the spindle. After that, remove the bolt from the steering rod and pull the covers under the steering rack. Then pull the K-Member brace and disconnect the electric steering rack. Pull and remove the mounts and get your jack in place so you can drop everything down. Once everything is out, you'll swap in your new K-Member, lower everything back down, and get everything bolted back up. Now this is a top-level overview that should give you just an idea of what the install looks like here. That's going to wrap things up for the BMR Tubular K-Member with lowered motor mounts in red for the 2005 to 2014 Mustang. You can always check it out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.